Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is Amy from With Love by Amy, and welcome to day 5 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series. All right, as we dig into day 5, and yes, in case you didn't figure it out, I'm in my robe because I film late at night usually after my kids go to bed. This is a very well stuck in there set of dies. Cool, I'm super excited. They look like swirly dies based on the picture there. So let's check these out and see what they look like. I do like that they give you, because this is my 3rd year doing this advent calendar. In case you didn't know that, I do have videos from the last 2 years in my YouTube playlists. So yeah, these are cool. They're like, it looks like stitches or something like that, stitch loops or something. But we're going to take this pack of cardstock. This is left over from my days of scrapbooking. I believe I actually bought that at Archivers. If y'all are crafters from back in the day, you probably remember Archivers. It's a store that went out of business a long time ago, and it was really cool because it was huge and they sold all the cool things. But I have a couple of these packs, and we're going to just pick out some colors that we like, and we're going to die cut the 2 different little swirly dies out of both of those. And I did spare you the boredom of watching me, tape them all down and die cut them, but I did cut a whole bunch of them because I'm not really sure how many I'm going to need, but I am cutting this panel down to 4 by 5 1/4 so that there will be a little bit of a border around there. And I do know that the die cuts are all going to overlap the edges a little bit. There's going to be overhang, so we will take care of that. But we're just going to decide what order we want them in. At first, I didn't know if I wanted to do like all the bluish green, then move to another color. But then I decided in the long run to just go like in an actual pattern, not like a gradient. So I'm using my clear magnet from my Make Art station to try to keep these lined up. And I'm realizing after I'm looking at it that I didn't do the greatest job, but I still think it's super cute. Those things were hard to keep straight. And I guess I didn't line them up as good as I thought I did, but oh well. I am very interested to see what everyone else that's in the YouTube or the Instagram hop that I'm on, what they come up with this die, because this was my first thought, and I usually try to work with my first thought when I'm doing this because it seems to work out the easiest for me. Yeah, that bluish grayish one there looks terrible. All right. So I had a happy birthday sentiment foiled in black left over from the other day. Day 3? Day 4? I don't know. Whatever day those banners were from. I'm already starting to lose track. So I cut a bunch more banners out of white cardstock, and I'm just gluing them all together. And we're going to put that sentiment down there at the bottom. Now, a little bit of housekeeping. I was looking at some statistics, and it looks like a very large portion of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So I would really, really appreciate it if y'all could subscribe and like my video so that I can eventually get monetized on YouTube. That'd be super cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you again soon. Bye.